Hi friends, welcome to my channel AA Steam Series. This evening I was just playing with some bubbles and I came with a few questions. And here they are. But before I say them, let me blow a bubble. And good. Let's blow it. Look, as you can see, they're round. And look, they even give off beautiful colors. So let's blow some more. And now look, I can just grab a bubble, but then look, it pops. Who wants a bubble to pop? You just want to play with it all day, don't you? Sadly, it will. And look, no matter, look, I'm not charging the bubble, but look, some of them are still popping. Now, how cool is that? Okay, let's put this back in. And now I have one last question. And look, how does the air stay inside the bubble? You put air inside it, but how does it stay inside? So I have answers to all my questions. So answer number 1, how does the air stay inside the bubble? That's quite simple. So when you blow a bubble, there's air on the inside and outside. The outside air is outside, inside air is the air that you blow inside. So imagine the bubbles as a sandwich. It's easy to make a bubble liquid too. Just take soap and water. So if you observed, I said soap and water. So yeah, in bubbles there's soap and water. So like I said, imagine bubbles or the soap and water like a sandwich. There are 2 soap molecules and 1 water molecule. So there's soap on the bottom, water in the middle, and soap on the top again. And guess what that means? Sandwich! Yum! So it's like a sandwich. Soap, water, soap. Pretty cool, right? So that helps keep the bubble and air inside. So it's like double protection. Okay, now time to answer question number 2. Why are they round? So, yeah, I know the answer to that too. So why exactly are they round? It's because when you blow the air, it doesn't want to turn in any other shape than a circle or a sphere because it's 3D. So it's a sphere because when you blow into it, there's an exact amount of air. And a circle has the least surface area of any shape. A square, a triangle, or anything else, it has the least surface area. When you blow inside it, it takes up the least, and it shrinks into a circle because it has really less surface area. And now, time for question number 3. Now, who wants to know that? Why do they reflect beautiful colors? Okay, now I'll tell you why. So, yeah, this is pretty exciting. So you know how I told you that the sun gives off all the colors of the rainbow, and some objects, like this bottle or this glove, absorbs all the colors except the one you can see. So this one reflects gray because it absorbs all the colors but gray. But it's different with the bubble. The bubble doesn't absorb any colors, so that's why it's transparent. But sometimes, or always more likely, it'll reflect the colors. So it will give off all the colors, and it land on the bubble, and boom, it reflects everything. There's all the colors that are reflecting off the bubble. Sometimes they mix, so you can see all the colors. And now, this is a question that I've been waiting for. Question number 4. Why do they pop? I've always wanted to know. And I also want to show you something where you can actually play with the bubble and touch it and not make it pop. Yeah. Okay, now, here. So remember when I told you there's a soap layer, a water layer, and another soap layer, like a sandwich. So the soap is the bread, and the water is the stuff which you put in between the bread. So, as we all know, water evaporates. So the sun can evaporate the water, which means it turns into gas. So when the soap bubbles touch, it pops. So here's something good. So whenever you play with the bubble, check the weather. If it's warmer, you'll know that the bubble is gonna pop faster than when it's cold. Because when it's cold, you know that the bubble might freeze. That's pretty cool. And the water doesn't evaporate as fast. But sometimes, like this weather, it's evening. So the sun is setting, which means it's a better time to play with the bubbles. That means it will stay for a longer time. And one more thing. You know how you blow the air? The air is warm. So when it's colder, the bubble goes up. It's warmer, it goes down. Because hot air goes up and cold air goes down. Now remember I told you I'll show you something where you can actually play with the bubble by touching it? Yeah, because you know, when you touch a bubble with a sharp object with your fingers, poof, there it goes. The bubble's over. Okay, now let me show you something. Let's blow the bubble. I'm super excited. So, you will need a glove, and that's it. And of course, some soap. Okay, so let's blow up, like this. Put it back in, and now touch this bubble with the glove. Let's reverse it, because it looks like that side's a bit dirty. So my glove was a bit dirty, so that's why it didn't stay. So now I reverse the glove, like this, so it's inside out. Now let's blow some more bubbles. Yes, look, I'm actually holding a bubble. No, come on, look, I'm actually holding a bubble. Whee! Okay, let me blow some more. Now let it come down. Yes. Oh wow, that's a big one. Just gather some up. Good. Look, I'm actually holding a bubble. Now isn't that pretty exciting? I tried to catch some big ones, but now look, I'm gonna touch it with my hand, and look, it all pops. Now how cool is that? No, you wanna try it? So why I reversed the glove was that it was pretty dirty. So there's moisture in your hand. Moisture means it's sort of wet and sticky, so it's damp. Well, you can't really feel it. So it's really not little, but damp. So that's why you need gloves. So make sure the gloves are nice and dry and your motion for it to be clean. You have fingerprints, which are like ridges, which will make the bubble pop. And of course, everyone knows, the needle. Wow, a sharp object will definitely pop the bubble and make the air leak. Okay, let that chirping go on, because this is the most fun part of the video. Now, let's have some fun by playing with bubbles. Wow, isn't that fun? Hope you enjoyed today's experiment. Stay tuned till then. See you later. Bye-bye.